Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore net worth tracking with Personal Capital step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Personal Capital website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. For existing users, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Locate the net worth section, which provides an overview of your current financial status. To restore tracking, click on the Accounts tab at the top of the dashboard. Review the list of accounts linked to your profile. If any accounts are missing, click on Add Account to include them. Select the appropriate account type from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to enter your account information, including bank and investment details. Allow Personal Capital to retrieve your account balances and transaction history. Once the accounts are linked, check the estimated values to ensure accuracy. If some values appear incorrect, click on the account to edit the details. Make necessary adjustments for any outdated or incorrect information. After all accounts are linked and values are correct, revisit the net worth section. You should now see an updated and accurate representation of your net worth. To further analyze your finances, explore the different tools provided by Personal Capital. These tools can help you monitor expenses, investments, and overall financial health. Regularly update and review your accounts to maintain accurate net worth tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.